Hi there, this is a short summary routine for our beginners solo samba, so that's the ballroom samba, and this was taught in the class online on Monday the 7th of September 2020. It's in the new school year of 2020 to 21. We run by the school year, everything's labelled by the school year and the level. So, beginners solo samba routine number 2, short summary coming up. Here we go. We had a basic starting on the left foot was leading. Forwards, ti-tum, back, ti-tum, forwards, ti-tum, back, ti-tum. I then faced to the left wall and did little promenade walks. Walk, back, replace, walk, back, replace. Faced the front and did one side whisk, left foot. Turn to my right, using the right foot. I'm using the foot that should be available. Promenade walk, side whisk. Do it all again. Promenade walk, side whisk, promenade walk, and walk, side whisk. That was the second section. Next one was a little back pony step, the Batacuda step. Now, you've already got that left foot behind, okay, but when you did this side ti-tum, your weight should have been on the front foot, but the left foot is already behind. So you've got to remember to use that. Back ti-tum, back ti-tum. The basic step is the pony, back ti-tum, back ti-tum. When you're comfortable, you can take your legs straight and push it round and push. Okay, we're doing 8 of those for that section, just 8. Let's look at the next section. Next section is Botafogos and Voltas. Yes, 2 forwards Botafogos, 4 Voltas, 2 backwards Botafogos, 4 Voltas. Take a little look. Left foot, cross forwards, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Cross back, and shuffle, 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 shuffle. Okay? Now we had the stationary walks on the spot. In place, go behind. In place, go behind. Voltas for 8, going round and round and round and round and round. Same thing again, opposite leg. In place, go back. In place, go back. And voltas 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Depending on the amount of space you had, you can make that circle bigger or smaller. That was the next section. Next one, half time slow whisk. 1, 2, and 3. Hold 4, and it's really big whisk. 1, 2, and 3. Hold 4. Nice big separated legs. Just 2 of those. Then we had the hip circles. With my count, I bring this leg through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm drawing a figure of 8 with my hips, yes, figure of 8. Left, right, double left, double right. Okay, I'm going to count that through. Let's do the whole thing slowly. We've got basic first, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Promenade walk, and 2, and whisk, and walk, and walk, and whisk, and walk, and walk, and whisk, and walk, and walk, and whisk. Pony back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, 2, voltas 2 and 3 and 4. Go back, and voltas 2 and 3 and 4. Underneath, go back. Voltas 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Underneath, go back. Voltas 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. tick, tum and hold. Slow. Tick, tum and hold. Circle, 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 double circle, double circle. Ooh, gonna be out of breath. You might just have to